More ghost flood control projects are exposed in the Philippine province of Oriental Mindoro. The provincial governor is urging the regional public works chief to reveal what he knows about these anomalies. Dennis Datu reports.
Barangay Chairman Mel Eloponga showed to the media the site of a road dike in Barangay Apitong, Nauhan, Oriental Mindoro. The area is supposedly the location of a flood control project worth 192 million pesos. On the Sumbong sa Pangulo website, it was listed as completed on August 15, 2024. But there are no structures remotely resembling a dike along the Pangalaan River. Just rocks and tall grass, a clear indication that the multi-million peso project is non-existent.
Ito po ang Sitio Dike. Yan po, kahit isa pong project na mega dike, wala po kayong makikita. Ako po, 50 years na dito, na nakatira, wala po kayong makita.
The village captain says if the dike existed, they would have been spared of severe flooding last month. He says the project would have been a permanent solution to flooding they regularly experience during wet weather.
Kailangan dahil ito pong lugar na ito ay binabaha at may mga naanod pong bahay diyan, mga hayop at mga bukid na naapektuhan. Kaya sobrang nakakalungkot po at nakakagalit dahil pati barangay namin ay nagamit.
According to Oriental Mindoro Governor Jomelito Bons Dolor, the Sitio Dike Flood Control Project was funded 3 times under the 2024 General Appropriations Act.
May dalawa pang project under 2024 GAA, isang 300 million at isang 250 million na supposed to be on that same area. Pero hindi ma-identify pa rin hanggang ngayon kasi nga walang title.
Dolor added that under the 2025 GAA, Barangay Apitong was again allocated 3 flood control projects, each worth 300 million pesos. According to the barangay captain, construction only started last May for the downstream section in Sitio San Isidro, while the upstream section began just last month. So far, only sheet piles have been installed. The supposed third project in the same barangay remains unaccounted for. These missing projects fall within the 1st District of Oriental Mindoro, but Congressman Arnan Panaligan denied benefiting from them. Panaligan has pointed to the DPWH as the sole authority behind these projects, adding that he had nothing to do with the planning, bidding, or awarding of flood mitigating programs.
Parang unfair na tayo ay matalag ka doon na hindi naman tayo ang naglagay ng proyektong yan, hindi tayo nag-prioritize, kundi dumating na sa atin yan.
The DPWH Mimaropa has yet to respond to the alleged ghost flood control projects. Governor Dolor has challenged DPWH Mimaropa Regional Director Gerald Pacanan to reveal the truth.
Tell the truth na lang. Just tell the truth. Ganun kasimple. Kung ano yung totoo sa'yo, kung ano yung alam mo, sabihin mo because the truth shall set you free.
The provincial government has identified at least 4 flood control projects in Sitio Dike supposedly funded since 2024 that cannot be found. Governor